Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vloggy vlog, and it is Vlogmas day 4. And on today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit of cooking. And on today's menu, we are cooking a chicken Parmesan. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing here is getting my water started for my noodles. I'm going to add salt. And I will also add some oil in there so my noodles will not stick to each other. All right, so now what I'm going to do is go through and cut up this large onion real fine so that I can go ahead and start my sauce. So now that I've got my onions diced and sliced real fine how I want them, I'm going to go through now and take my thinly sliced chicken breast out of the pack. Comment down below and let me know if you actually clean your meat before you actually cook it. It's a pet peeve of mine that I have to cook. I have to wash my meat before I cook it. It's just a pet peeve of mine. So I'm just going through washing all of the chicken really good, and then I'm going to go through and pat dry it with a paper towel just so I can get all of the excess water off of the chicken. And then I'm going to go through and season my chicken really good with a little bit of paprika, garlic salt, and black pepper. Alright, so now that I've got my chicken seasoned how I want them, I'm going to go through and go ahead and add my noodles to my water. Some of my noodles I will break up, and then some of them I will leave whole. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Comment down below and let me know, how do you do your noodles? Do you keep them long and whole and let them stick out the pan, or do you break your noodles up? Let me know. I'm just anxious to know. Now that I've got my noodles in my pan, I'm going to go ahead and we'll start working on my chicken. So what I'm going to do now is take some eggs. I'm thinking about 4 eggs for the amount of chicken breast that I'm going to be cooking. Whip those eggs up really good so that my chicken batter can be kind of crispy. I started off with 2, but I ended up having to use 2 more. So I used a total of 4 eggs just so my batter can be extra crispy. So now I'm just taking my onions and put those in a separate pan so that I can get those kind of sauteed and cooked up just to soften them up just a little bit. But that is the pan that I'm going to add my tomato sauce. And I'm just going to, go through them, saute them really good, make sure they get real soft. And I'm going to stir up my noodles really good, make sure that they get a good stirring and they're soft as well. So this brown paper bag, I got this idea from my mom. She used to take brown paper bags when she didn't have any Ziploc bags, y'all, and we did what we called improvise. So I'm taking this brown paper bag, cut it in half, and I'm going to use that to put my chicken flour in, or my chicken batter. So I'm gonna go through and dip my thinly sliced chicken breast in the egg wash, and then I'm going to go through and flip it a few times in my chicken breader, and then I'm going to lay them really nice evenly on my cast iron skillet. All right, so now that I've got my chicken breast done, or at least my first batch is complete, so I'm going to go through and take my marinara and just going to put like a little bit on each cut of chicken, and I'm going to top it off with some provolone cheese, and I'm going to pop it in the oven just so that my cheese can melt and get a little brown on it. And yes, I do clean up as I go. Comment down below and let me know if you clean up as you go. It makes it so much easier. All right, guys, so now that my chicken is done, my cheese is melted. It has that really pretty nice brown burnt spot, like little specks on my cheese. That means it's ready to rip. Okay, we about to let this thing rip. So I'm gonna plate my dish with some noodles, and then I'm going to lay a very thin amount of marinara sauce over my noodles, and then I'm going to place 2 chicken breasts on my plate, and then I'm going to, of course, add the green grass, which I don't understand for the life of me why we have to add parsley to everything, but it just makes it look so much prettier. So we just got to get with the program and add the parsley on there. I mean, what? It just makes it look good. It's called food grass, I guess. But you guys, I really enjoyed cooking this meal. My family enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. There was no leftovers. It was, when I say it was finger licking good, it was finger licking good. And then my plate, my personal plate, I'm going to go through and add some shaved slices of Parmesan cheese because I love cheese just that much, y'all. I am a cheese connoisseur. I'm a cheese lover, okay? Anything cheese, I am here for it. I'm here for it, sis. I am here for it. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys on tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Make sure you keep smelling good. Make sure you keep looking good. And I will see you guys on tomorrow. Bye.